In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CMS collections in Framer. We'll walk through the process from inside a Framer project, so you can start organizing your content in a structured and reusable way. A CMS collection is basically a set of repeatable items, like blog posts, portfolio pieces, or products, that you can manage from one place and connect to your designs. First, make sure you have your Framer project open in the editor. At the top of the interface, you'll see a tab labeled CMS. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the content management side of your project, where all your collections and items will live. If you don't see any collections yet, that just means you're starting from scratch, which is perfect for this walkthrough. Inside the CMS panel, look for a button labeled Add. Click on Add to reveal your options for creating new content structures. This is where you tell Framer what kind of content you want to manage centrally instead of hard coding it on each page. From the options that appear, click on Add Collection. This creates a brand new CMS collection for your project. At this point, you will usually be prompted to name your collection. Choose a name that clearly describes the type of content you'll store there, like blog posts, recipes, or projects. Clear naming really helps later when your site grows and you end up with multiple collections to manage. Once your collection is created, you'll see its own panel showing a list of items. Right now, that list is empty. To start adding content, click on New Item. This creates a single entry inside your collection. Think of an item as one blog post, one product, or one case study, depending on how you plan to use the collection. When the new item opens, you'll see fields where you can fill in details. Typically, you'll have a title, a description, maybe an image, and other custom fields, depending on how your collection is set up. Take a moment to carefully fill in each field, making sure your content is clean and consistent. This will make it much easier to design and filter your CMS-driven sections later. After you're done adding all the details for your item, review everything, then publish. Publishing saves your changes and makes this item available for use throughout your Framer project.